Hey, Coach Kevin here. Thought I would do another video here and welcome you to December. This year, 2020, is almost over. Wow. Hey, a couple things for you in today's newsletter. One is about strategic planning. It's an article I just wrote to have you think about what do you have to do over this next year to make 2021 amazing, considering all the interesting things and variables going on. And I'm really grateful for it because it's focusing and forcing a lot of us to innovate and that old word pivot that we probably all hate by now, but to find ways to be better, giving us a bit of a shake. We've seen that we can operate well in this world in most businesses. Anyways, article for you to consider around strategic planning and what do you got to do to be really strategic in your planning so that you can make the most of it and capitalize on what's going on for your business. Also, an invitation to a great event we're doing with Jim Collins. Speaking of strategy, he's got some of the best strategic thinking tools, and the release of his new book. And we're doing a live event, and happy to be sharing with you a live event with him that will be happening in February this year. You can see that in the second spot of the newsletter. And then finally, on our podcast with my good friend Brad and I, the Growth Whispers, we're talking about rejuvenation and resilience and what do you got to do over the holidays so that you can really rejuvenate and come back at your best, at your A plus or your own version of excellent, and building up and filling up your tanks so you're ready for this exciting new year. So I hope you're doing well. Enjoy what we have with you and hope to see you on those upcoming events.